Hi, welcome to Manufacturing Support. This is our internal manufacturing facility. We manufacture metallic parts for aerospace and land systems. We have a multi-skilled workforce of around 60 people who move from work centre to work centre daily to cope with our peaks and troughs of work within the facility.
Around 60 staff. The shop's functionally laid out, split into fabrication, machining, turning and avionics at the end of the shop. One of the gems of the facility is our special process facility. It allows us to solutionise, pre-sip, chemical conversion coat, anodise, NDT and paint our products, whereas they would normally have to go into the supply chain or in some cases to America to treat these products. We can turn around parts that would otherwise take weeks in a matter of days. The new investment we've had in a large bed CNC router. It's a 9 metre by 3 metre bed. It's not just to support aerospace, it's also to support our MLS business. We've had investment in a new press brake, Trump press brake, 3 metre long, guillotine and the workstations that we've had in this area. Our 3D capability or 3D printing capability has recently been added to our scope so we can formally manufacture and release product under our approvals. They've been used for printing prototype products just to reduce that lead time when manufacturing aluminium parts.